Hi kids, I'm making a fast video for you because the other one was not right. So let's take a look at a problem like this. 164 and 27. So it reads 27 times 164. Now you know that you're going to take the 7 and multiply it times 4, then 7 times 6, then 7 times 1. When I did 7 times 4, I got 28. I wrote down the 8 and carried that plus 2. 7 times 6 is 42. Plus 2 is 44. 7 times 1 is 7. Plus 4 is 11. Now that we're done with the 7, what do we need to do? You're right. Chicken scratch, lay an egg. Then we're going to do 2 times 4, 2 times 6, and 2 times 1. Great. What do you do next? You add those together. I'm going to push pause. You solve it, and you should push pause, and then I'm going to show you the answer. Okay. This is the answer you should get. If you're having any problems with this, let me know and we will do a live session. Thanks.